This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on reading 5 different melodies written in tablature. Right now in the lesson series, we're working in open position. So with the open strings and then index playing the notes in the first fret, middle playing the notes in the second, ring finger playing the notes in the third, and pinky playing the notes in the fourth fret. And we're especially working on getting used to playing on the lower strings, especially strings 4, 5, and 6, more of those bassy strings. We do go higher sometimes depending on the melody, but that's the emphasis right now with these melodies that we're playing. Of course, as we play them together, we'll be jamming right along with the band, as there has been a band track that I've recorded for these songs for us to play with in this video, so it's going to be great. This accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to start on page 94. We'll be on pages 94, 95, and 96. We're going to start on song number 128. We're going to do songs 128 through 132. This is going to be super fun. Each one of these songs is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. And as I've usually mentioned, it's a good idea if you're playing along at either of those tempos and you're struggling to play and you're tripping over notes and you're just having a difficult time, you want to pause that video, work out the difficult spots, get used to playing them, play it over and over, work those out technically, and then try playing along again. The more you do that sort of thing in that practice mode, the faster you improve your technique and the faster you get better. And that's why we're here, so we can get better at playing the guitar, which is so fun. So let's go ahead and play these melodies together, starting with number 128 there on page 94. Alright, terrific. I hope you're having fun with this. Of course, in the next video that comes out that goes with this Tablature book, we're going to read some more melodies. So take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.